Hey guys, I'm Christina. Welcome to Ollyaga's kitchen. We are going to learn how to make a peanut butter banana sandwich, Ollyaga style. So the ingredients you'll be needing are 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, a banana, obviously, and you'll need a knife, just a butter knife, a spoon, something to crush up your banana pieces in, and a plate, of course. So if you guys are allergic to nuts, of course you probably don't want to use peanut butter. Strawberry jam works just as well with this recipe. It'll taste just as good with the bananas. If you have any old bananas like this one, where it's almost all brown, this is a great opportunity to use it because they mush really well and really easily. Sometimes the newer bananas like this one are a little bit more difficult to mush, but you won't go wrong with your old bananas. So first, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to take my peanut butter and I'm going to spread my peanut butter on 1 slice of my bread. Then I'll take my banana and I'm going to peel it from the bottom like a monkey, and I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut thin slices of the banana, and then take those slices and I'm going to put them in my little cup, take my spoon and crush up all the banana slices until they're made into like a nice mushy spread. Then I'm going to take that spread, take my knife and spread it on the other half of my bread. And then I'm going to put the 2 slices together, cut it in half, and it's ready to eat. Hey Chris, you been following along?
Yeah, I think I did pretty good, don't you think?
Banana,